Hey guys, all right, we're on to Captain Awesome to the rescue. We're on chapter 7 now. One boy, one hamster. Oh, one boy minus one hamster equals bad news. Eugene was tired of thinking about how many apples he'd have if he started with 4, then added 12 and divided everything by 4. Who wants that many apples? Superheroes don't need math, Eugene thought. That's why they punch things. Superheroes need to be outside so they can swing and climb on stuff. The bell rang. Everyone ran for the door like they were chasing after free chocolate. Eugene waited for the classroom to empty, then headed over to Turbo's cage. Today's a very special day, Eugene whispered. I want you to be Captain Awesome's official sidekick. We'll call you Turbo, the heroic hamster, and you can use your Super 9 power to... Panic filled Eugene's heart and back up into his throat. Turbo was gone. Ah! Eugene yelled. Not again! Who could have done such a thing? Did Queen Stinky Pants follow him to school? Impossible. Her feet don't even reach the pedals on her terror tricycle. And he couldn't smell any of her stinky stinkiness in the air. This had to be the work of some new super menace. Eugene spotted a trail of cage shavings leading to the back of the room. Good boy, Turbo, Eugene thought, leaving a trail so I can find you. What a smart little sidekick. The shavings led to the cubbies where the class kept their backpacks. The trail stopped at a pink backpack. There you are, Miss Beasley called out. We're all outside for recess, Eugene. But, it's just, Eugene stammered. Go get some fresh air, sunshine, and monkey bars, kiddo. Eugene sighed and trudged into the hall. Super Dude would never leave a man behind. Enemy lines. Sure, Turbo was a hamster, but Super Dude would never leave a hamster behind either, even to go play on monkey bars. Neither would Eugene. Hold on, little guy, Eugene whispered, even though Turbo couldn't hear him. I'll be back for you, I promise. I must have tucked him in their backpack. Okay, we're going to stop there and we'll find out what happens tomorrow and if he rescues him from that pink backpack. Bye, guys.